Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to send mass email. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Salesforce app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. So to do it, all you gotta do is go to a lead or contact list view, then select up to 200 recipients, then click on send list email. Then use email templates or write a custom message, and once you are done with that, click on send. Then option 2 is to use a third-party mass email app, which is Mailchimp for Salesforce or Mass Mailer or Konga Composer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.